我不知道 means I don't know in Chinese, but you'll be very likely hearing this. 不知道哎，不知道哎。So, today we're going to hear some phrases that we use very often and what they actually sound like.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl.
If you like Chinese, say it like you mean it and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Also, most importantly, remember to subscribe and leave a message for me on our YouTube channel. 这是什么？那是什么 means what is this and what is that in Chinese. But most likely you are going to hear 这什么？那什么？ Yes, you're hearing them correctly. Chinese has a tendency to speak in a more colloquial and an informal way to say something. It doesn't necessarily mean it's wrong. It just sounds more casual. That's all. Another example, 这个要多少钱？那个要多少钱？ It means how much does this cost and how much does that cost? But you might hear this instead. 这要多少？那要多少？ They're both correct. And another example, 你要去哪里？ It means where are you going? But to say in a more casual way, Chinese people will say 你去哪？你去哪？ Same thing applies to 有的时候. It means sometimes. But instead, we would say 有时, 有时. We eliminate some words here and there, however, they all mean the same. And what about 这个我知道，那个我知道? It means I know this and I know that. But sometimes we say it so fast, it becomes 知道啊，知道啊。Also, 你觉得这个怎么样? What do you think about this in Chinese? We would say 你觉得怎样？你觉得怎样？我不知道 I don't know. It becomes 不知道哎，不知道哎。Do you see the difference between them? They're both correct, but we are pronouncing them very fast, almost in a way like you are chewing or having something stuck in your mouth all the time. How about another example? A couple are fighting and a boyfriend asks, 你现在是想要怎么样? What do you want from me now? It can be 你是怎样？你是怎样？ Another interesting thing is asking questions that you want to say 发生什么事情了? That means what is going on right now? 发生什么事？发生什么事？ When 发生什么事情了 becomes 发生什么事？ And also 你刚刚说什么？ What did you say? It becomes 刚说什么？ Try to say it faster. 你今天做了什么事情？ What did you do today? You're very likely to hear this. 你今天做什么？你今天做什么？ Being aware of these sentences, you will sound like a real Chinese. Other things like 你还需要什么东西吗？ Do you need something else? You can go like 你要什么？你要什么？ You will notice in most cases, we would eliminate quite a few letters in one sentence. However, they totally make sense. There is also 这样子好吗? Is this way okay? But we often eliminate 这样子 and becomes 这样子，这样好吗? Another useful phrase I would like to finish is 我差不多要走了. In Chinese, it means it's about time that I should go. It becomes 我要闪了 or 我先撤了. Completely different. What would be nice is if you watch this video over and over again for you to actually pronounce in Chinese conversation with Chinese people. They will help you understand other people. When they say 不知道哎，你去哪？现在怎样？这样好吗？这样对吗？ It means, is this okay? So this pretty much wraps up our video for today. Remember to subscribe and leave a message or comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. 再见，拜拜。